2013 Chevy Camaro. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, and we also gave him the push notification, and it also has GPS, so if the alarm fires off, he'll be able to get an alert on his phone anywhere in the United States. And plus it got the GPS, so he can track the car if it gets towed or whatever, or they try to disappear. The way the factory alarm works in this car, if you open the door, it fires off, but nobody's going to open the door. They're going to break the window and jump in, or they're going to try to bust out these lug nut locks, and that will fire off the alarm system. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the first tire, and the alarm's going to go off now. See, that's the push notification. I shut off the alarm by hitting unlock so you can hear the phone ring. Yeah, and for security reasons, we're not gonna show the GPS location of the vehicle, but it does have a GPS. It's 4G. It is very quick LTE, and that's basically it. If somebody bangs in any of the windows, it gives you protection all around the car for any banging, any type of impact towards the windows. From the factory, if you open the door, it fires off the hood and the trunk, so you don't have to worry about that. If you have a Camaro, that's already in your factory alarm system. The only thing is the shock sensor is a must upgrade, because if somebody breaks the window, they can jump in and wipe you out, and as long as they don't open the door, nothing's going to happen, and they can leave this car in full brakes, which they do all the time, and they will bust out these lug nut locks and fire off the alarm system. Nothing will happen because you didn't do an add-on. So by adding the shock sensor, in order for them to first of all, they don't jack up the car individually. They put 4 center blocks underneath your car and remove the air out of the tire. But before they do that, they got to unloosen up the lug nut locks, because you can't lift up a car and then try to take the lug nut locks, because the tire is going to spin in the air. So a tilt sensor has no purpose here, because it's not going to work, because the shock sensor will fire off first before a tilt sensor, because they have to bust out the lug nut locks, and the car has to fall on the brakes, and that will fire off the alarm anyway. So yeah, that's why I chose, instead of going tilt sensor, I chose the shock sensor, because the shock sensor will work while they're working on those lug nut locks, and it will also give you glass protection all around the car, and any banging around the car. The tilt sensor will not do that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the window, and that will be the end of the installation video. Okay, and that will fire off again. I'm just going to cancel it out before it actually goes into the alarm fire. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Autoline Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, out of Miami, Fort Lauderdale area, and you're out of state, feel free to give us a call, and we can give you advice how to get this done wherever you are in the United States. And we thank you for watching this video.